Korean prosecutors raid Bithumb over ex-CEO's alleged funds misuse in property deal. Bithumb, South Korea. Bithumb is facing renewed scrutiny over alleged financial misconduct linked to its former CEO, and deeper concerns emerge about transparency in South Korea's crypto sector. The investigation could significantly impact the exchange's ambitious IPO plans and reshape regulatory oversight nationwide. Last updated, March 20, 2025. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, March 20, 2025 at 16:41 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. South Korean prosecutors have launched a formal investigation into Bithumb, one of the country's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, over allegations that company funds were misused to facilitate an apartment purchase for its former CEO. The Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office executed a search and seizure operation on March 20 at Bithumb's headquarters in Yeokseum-dong. Authorities suspect that Bithumb provided a 3 billion Korean won, approximately $2.4 million, lease deposit for an apartment in Seongsu-dong to its former CEO and current advisor, Kim Dae-sik. There are allegations that a portion of these funds was diverted for the personal acquisition of the property, prompting both the Financial Supervisory Service, FSS, and prosecutors to investigate the matter. The FSS initially reviewed the case before it was handed over to the prosecution for further legal action. Allegations, investigations, and Bithumb's response. According to reports, the former CEO secured a loan from a third-party lender immediately following the FSS investigation and repaid the amount in full. However, prosecutors continue to probe whether corporate funds were used inappropriately and whether legal violations occurred. Local media outlet YTN first reported on the case, citing anonymous sources within the regulatory agencies. Meanwhile, additional concerns have surfaced regarding the integrity of Bithumb's token listing process. Wu Blockchain reported that projects seeking listings on Bithumb and rival exchange Upbit allegedly paid intermediary fees. Two projects purportedly paid $2 million and $10 million, respectively, for their listings, while some intermediary fees ranged from 3% to 5% of the total token supply. These revelations have fueled speculation that market manipulation and improper financial incentives could be at play. Bithumb has yet to release a formal statement regarding these additional allegations, but the exchange has previously emphasized its commitment to compliance and financial transparency. However, past legal issues, including tax probes and fraud investigations, have weighed on the company's regulatory standing in South Korea. Bithumb's IPO aspirations and legal challenges. The timing of this investigation is particularly sensitive, as Bithumb is actively working towards a long-anticipated initial public offering, IPO. On March 18, Business Post reported that Bithumb CEO Lee Jae-won is accelerating the IPO process by implementing corporate restructuring measures to mitigate judicial risks for major shareholders. The exchange has been preparing for its stock market debut since 2020, but previous legal troubles have repeatedly delayed the listing. In 2021, Bithumb's former board chairman, Lee Jong-hoon, was indicted on fraud charges, though South Korea's Supreme Court later acquitted him. This recent legal victory was expected to clear the path for Bithumb's IPO, which is now projected for 2025. The company selected an underwriter in 2023 and 2024. It established a non-exchange business unit to streamline operations ahead of its Nasdaq listing. The current investigation could add another layer of uncertainty to its IPO ambitions, potentially impacting investor confidence. Bithumb's legal troubles are part of a broader trend of increased regulatory scrutiny on South Korea's cryptocurrency sector. The trajectory of South Korea's crypto industry. Over the years, the exchange has been implicated in multiple scandals, including tax evasion probes, price manipulation investigations, and allegations of fraudulent activities. Since 2018, South Korean authorities have raided Bithumb's offices multiple times concerning various cases, though no definitive conclusions have been reached in several instances. The latest raid follows renewed government efforts to implement stricter crypto regulations, especially concerning institutional compliance and investor protections. South Korea has been refining its cryptocurrency regulatory framework, including proposals to impose a 20% tax on crypto gains. However, this policy has faced delays due to political opposition. As it stands now, if Bithumb is found guilty of financial misconduct, the exchange could face severe penalties, potentially impacting the broader crypto market in South Korea. Conversely, if the allegations are proven baseless, Bithumb may regain some regulatory goodwill and continue its push for a successful IPO. For now, the exchange remains under intense scrutiny, and the crypto community awaits further developments from the ongoing investigation. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Market shows signs of recovery as Fed confirms 2025 rate cuts. Kraken moves to capture futures trading with $1.5 billion NinjaTrader acquisition. Report Dogecoin approaches key resistance level. Here's where it's headed next. Price analysis. XRP's role in the U.S. digital asset stockpile is a 500% surge next. 1 day ago, by Michael Davis. Altcoin news. SEC ends legal battle with Ripple in XRP case. Ripple CEO says. 1 day ago, by Hongji Fong. Altcoin news. Solana CEO expresses regret over controversial America is back ad. 9 hours ago, by Suja Sundararajan. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. March 12, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 8 best crypto presales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Med Kilikudi. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. The 12 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.